Hi class. This is the week of December 7th through December 11th. I am a little late getting this to you, I apologize. Let me just very quickly go over this with everyone just so you're aware of what to do and what we'll be looking at this week. This is Journeys Lesson 9. Our story or our anchor text this week is called Dear Mr. Winston. This is one of my favorite anchor texts in the Journeys curriculum, and this is just a really fun story. It's got some humor in it, so it's funny. It'll make you laugh. The illustrations are really fun. This is a realistic fiction story, so this is a story that could happen in real life, but this is actually a make-believe story. So this story is fictional. Okay, so our essential question this week is, what are some different ways to do research? We'll talk about reference books this week. We're going to talk about what are some different ways we could research things. Maybe that's technology, maybe that's in the use of books. So we'll talk about that a little bit as well. Let's take a look at comprehension skills and strategies. We will be doing some work on drawing conclusions and generalizations. All right, we'll kind of discuss some character humor and what that sounds like. All right. And then let's go to vocabulary. Here are our words this week. We have fault, borrow, reference, fainted, genuine, local, apologize, proof, slimy, and insisted. So hopefully everyone had a chance to come on with me this morning at our Google Meet, and we had a chance to discuss each one of these words individually. If you did not have the opportunity to meet us this morning, please remember, Quizlet is available for you. It is an excellent tool for you to be able to go back on, review those words, play games. There's matching games where you're able to match the definition to the word. So a lot of review that can be happening with these vocabulary words. If you're not sure of the meaning of some of these, please make sure you utilize that Quizlet on the virtual classroom page. All right, so you'll notice that I am kind of skipping over writing here the last few weeks. That just is because where we're technically supposed to be in writing is informative, but I like to do it per trimester. So we're still focusing on opinion writing so far, and we are focusing on evidence as well. All right, grammar, compound and complex sentences. This can be tricky. So there is an Edpuzzle that will be posted this week. I really do suggest watching that Edpuzzle. You can watch it over and over again. You can definitely utilize that Edpuzzle site more than once. So please know that you can always go back on and watch that and pause it and really make sure that you're understanding what's being asked. We will have a small group time, a whole group discussion on what compound and complex sentences look and sound like. So make sure that you are focused in there. If you do miss that discussion with us, make sure that you check in with me so we can have kind of a one-on-one discussion about what those sound like. Those can be tricky. And then antonyms, which are just review from 3rd grade, probably 2nd grade as well. Remember, antonyms mean the opposite. Okay, and then spelling words this week. Those are listed on your virtual classroom page. Make sure you are daily reviewing these words. Now, if you've not noticed by now, there are 20 words here. However, you'll notice every Friday for your spelling tests, you only have 16 words. That means out of the 20 here, 4 of those words will not be listed on your spelling test this Friday. However, you never know which words those are. So please make sure that you're practicing every one of these. We do a lot of practice with spelling ABC, order, and 3 times each, and proofreading for spelling. But please make sure that you are still looking those over and getting to know those spelling words. All right, again, that was December 7th through December 11th. Let's have a great week.